Happy Mother's Day, my mom, my doll. It's been more than 3.5 years you have left this world, but trust me, there have never been a day where I have not missed you. Probably dad would have not missed you. Only we three know what we have felt being together. That high level of happiness, that staying high, that keeping that smile always. That was a whole different feeling when we three were together, when we three were around. It was magic, it was surreal. And with you leaving this world, we have never felt that kind of happiness. And I think now we have accepted the fact that we are not going to feel that kind of happiness which we felt when you were around. But still fighting, still putting our every day, putting our heart out every damn day, getting up, showing up. Because I think that have been the hallmark of our family, right? अगर किसी को एक वर्ड में डिफाइन करना होगा ये फैमिली को, तो शायद एक वर्ड यही होगा, फाइटर. You have been fighter, dad have been fighter, and I think even I am a fighter. I think you will decide it better. Thank you, mom, for everything. I have been grateful to get my 20 years with you, and I'm glad that I never took you for granted. Otherwise it would have been very difficult for me to just continue my life after losing you. I'm glad that I was always grateful to have you around me. I'm glad that I always gave my best to make you smile, to just make you crazy, to just make you laugh. I'm glad that I gave my heart out to just care about you, to love you, to do the small things for you. And I think that is the thing which held me in accepting the fact that okay, now you are just not going to come back. But trust me, I still miss that. I miss that one hug from the day I have lost you. I still wish cash कि आप आ पाते और एक वो टाइट हग दे पाते. I still miss that. I don't know when is the day when I'm going to cry my heart out, because it didn't happen when I lost you. It didn't happen. It have been more than 3.5 years. I don't know when that emotion is going to get busted, but I think hopefully very soon. You remember, mom? You are always used to, you just love someone speaking English. भले ही तुम्हें आता नहीं था, आपको आता नहीं था, बट आपको सुन के इतना मज़ा आता था. बट शायद तब मुझे वो इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी. आज शायद मैं काफ़ी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल देता हूँ और एक फ्लुएंसी भी आ गई है, एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी आ गया है. बट टुडे आई डोंट हैव यू बाय माई साइड, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ हाउ लाइफ वर्क्स. कल शायद बहुत कुछ होगा, कल शायद जो सोचा भी नहीं था वो भी होगा, बट आप नहीं होगे. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी पेनफुल, बिकॉज जब भी खुद को पुश किया था, कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर रखा था, एक ही चीज़ सोच के रखा था, टू गिव यू एंड डैड द प्रिंसेस एंड किंग वाली लाइफ. सो आई थिंक फ्यू ईयर्स डाउन द लाइन वो वाली लाइफ तो आ जाएगी. शायद डैड तो वो एक्सपीरियंस कर लेंगे किंग साइज लाइफ, बट it will be incomplete without you. There's no doubt about it. You completed us. You gave us that vibe, that energy, that enthusiasm to push every damn day. And it was really very difficult to see you losing and then to push ourselves every damn day. Hats off to dad, still fighting with a smile. And I think that is the thing which helps me, which motivates me to just keep smiling, to just keep giving my best. And I think I'm just giving my best. Let's see how the things will turn. But trust me, there are todays also the days where कभी गुंजने लग जाती है आपकी आवाज़. It feels like you are calling me, you are asking me कुछ खाया कि नहीं. The bond which we shared was surreal. We were so vocal about it, and that is the reason it's been so difficult, and it's going to be very difficult. It's not going to be so easy. और आई थिंक ये कोई समझ नहीं पाएगा, बिकॉज आई एम फेसिंग इट, माई डैड इज फेसिंग इट. वी नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज, हाउ क्रूअल इट इज, हाउ frustrating it is. Only we can understand. No one else can, because no one else is facing this music which the universe had it for us. But I think you have to accept it, and I think we have accepted it very gracefully. But ऑब्वियसली बोलते हैं ना, जस्ट व्हेन वी थॉट कि शायद अपने भी दिन बदल रहे हैं, टू taking life to a new level, seeing that new highs in life. Finally, I also started having a job, articleship. Dad also started feeling, oh, our days will change. That smile was there, and suddenly you passed away. That was something which was unimaginable, unacceptable, and only thing which I think in my life I would like to change is having you for more few years. Few months down the line I might be becoming a chartered accountant very soon. Sorry, I will be becoming a chartered accountant very soon, and you will not be around to see that emotion. I will not be able to get that hug from you because तुमसे ज़्यादा खुश ना कोई होने वाला था, ना कोई होने वाला है, और ना कोई होने वाला हो सकता है, because only we know how that emotion and how that feeling was. But one thing I can assure you, mom, I'll make you proud. I'll ensure that yes, याद रखा जाएगा कि मैं आपका लड़का था. I'll keep pushing myself. I'll keep try to creating a difference to the society. I'll keep sharing that good intent out, keep motivating. Thank you for everything. I think I can go on for hours and hours and days and months talking to you, but I can just say I miss you every damn day. For that Tarun child, it is not easy. For that Tarun who is fighting it out, he's doing it somehow. I think you are the one who is giving him the strength, right? Thank you for that character, for strength, for giving me that attitude of just don't give up, just fight this like you have been fighting. I have been inspired from you and from dad. He's so beyond words. He's just a hats off. He's just a gem. And I think he's the reason where I'm being forced to just push myself every damn day, and I'm going to keep it doing to just ensure that I giving something better. It deserves much better things for the work he have been putting in, for the attitude which he have towards life, and I'm grateful to have him around me. Thank you, mom. Keep supporting me. I know you are there by my side. This universe always comes to my rescue. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And to all the ones who are grateful to have your mom around, don't just make this day as like Mother's Day and just keep doing some crazy things. Ensure that give as much love as possible, as much care as possible. मॉम लोग को सिर्फ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें पसंद होती है, तुम्हारा टाइम चाहिए होता है, तुम्हारे पैसे उससे कोई मतलब नहीं होगा. सो बेटर गिव दैट टाइम, बेटर गिव दैट लव, बेटर गिव दैट केयर व्हेन शी इज अराउंड यू. थैंक यू, लव यू मॉम.